Do you feel like everyone is trying to give you an advice? Everyone has such a great advice for you. And you're just tired and you just don't know of who to listen to, or the best way is to just not to listen to everyone and just shut down. This is what you need to hear. Hi everyone, my name is Sylwia and welcome to my channel. So let's talk about how many people are wanting and willing to give you such a great advices about everything. People will want to give you loads of advices. People love giving advices. People will tell you how to be, who to be with, how to build relationship, how to manage your money, how to run your business, how to love your partner, what kind of job to have, what kind of job not to do. People will give you advices for everything. And they will expect you to listen, to do as you've been told. And then if you hold a wounded inner child in you, who was always the good girl, always the good boy, who's always trying to be good and do as been told, those kind of advices will absolutely trigger you. You will not feel good after them. You will feel guilty. You will feel like you're doing something really bad. It could even overwhelm you and cause you loads of anxiety. But the thing is, you should never listen to them. You and the only one person who you really should listen to is yourself. Listening to your heart, to your soul. And we really need to be careful. Who are we taking advices from? Because if you're thinking of having your own business, if you're thinking of quitting your 9-to-5 job and wanting to do something for yourself, something that you feel with your whole heart, something that this idea just lights you up, and then you go and you tell your best friend about this great idea, and you hit the wall because that friend is like, oh my god, what are you doing? Never! Are you crazy? You want to do something and lose and quit that secure job. No, bad idea. The thing is, people will give you ideas based on their own perception, based on what they know, based on how they think. So even when you do and ask for an advice, the advice you're getting is based on their own perception. And before you even go and ask a person, the things that you should ask yourself first, the person that you want to ask for advice, is she where I want to be? Does this person have what I want to have? Does this person look like I want to look? Maybe you need some kind of advices about how to invest your money. Don't go to a person who is broke, because obviously they don't have the answers you're looking for. They don't know how to advise you because they have no clue. The same way, if you want to lose weight, don't go to a person for advice of how to lose effectively weight if someone is overweight? Obviously, they don't do something, and this is not how you want to look like. So they can't advise you. They don't know the answers you're looking for. If you want to build your business, you got to ask a person who has their own business, and that business is actually running good. You can't take advices from people who don't know what they're doing, who are not where you want them to be, and they don't look, be the person that you want to be. You can love your friends, you can love your parents, you can love your family, but if they're not what you want to do, if they haven't experienced that, if they haven't tried that, these are not the people you should be actually looking for advice from. These are not the people. If you want to look for advice of how to build loving relationship, are you going to a person who has 3 divorces and every relationship is collapsing? I wouldn't listen to that person when it comes to relationships, because obviously this is not what you're looking for. This is not what you want. It's the same. How are you going to build your business? Are you going to look for advices from people who never build a business, who doesn't have their own businesses? Are you going to look for advices from those people? What can they advise you on? How not to do things? We have to be careful who we are listening to. And some people, without even you asking for advice, they will want to give you their own opinions. They will want to tell you how to do your job, how to run the business, how to be in a relationship, how to lose weight, how to work on yourself. They will want to give that. They will give their own opinions. And there's nothing wrong with that. But then it's up to you whether you want to listen to that or not. Are you going to take that on board or not? Will that affect you or not? If someone will judge you, will you take that judgment on? It's up to you what you will take on and what you want. So be careful. Be careful who you spend time with. Be careful what kind of advices you're listening to. Be careful who you listen to, because everything matters. Everything subconsciously is affecting us. If you will reject something, it won't. If you won't allow something to affect you, it won't. But you are in charge of that. You are. So it's the same. It's the same with everything else. If you want something and you have dreams and you have big dreams, go for them. But if you need an advice, if you need guidance of how to do things, seek for people who have been in your place before. Because these people have been there, done that, they've been in your place, they tried, it worked, now they have what you want. So these are the people you can learn from, not the people who will sit on their asses and do nothing, and all what they want to do is tell you how to live your life. That's not how we live. That's not how This is not how we done it, how we should live or listen to people. Be careful. Be conscious. Who you're talking to, how you're talking to people, and who are you listening to? Okay? Okay, so that's the message for this week. Especially when there's New Year coming. New Year resolutions will be big, massive list of what we will do and what we want to achieve. Amazing. But don't allow people to discourage you. Especially the people who haven't done it. Especially the people who have no idea what they talk about. Especially about the people who they don't do anything with their lives. These are not the people you should be listening to if you want to change something. Okay? Okay, guys. Thank you so much for today, and I will see you soon. Bye!